Hi, so you ever wondered about how you can clean the tide mark around the top of your pool? You've got some pink marks and some staining. How do you do that without draining the whole pool? Well, here's a device that I made that might just help you. So it's very simple. You can do this one-handed. Put it into the side of the pool, it's the lined pool. Put it against the wall, push down, and you see the level drops. So that now leaves it clean there, so you can scrub the side of the wall. You can normally get it much deeper than that, but it allows you to then clean the wall, no problem, without getting wet. You can see it right down into here. It's a nice, easy device for cleaning the pool line.